Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. Jody and I are back up in the attic today. We want to do some flooring up here for storage. We got 5 sheets of 1/2-inch plywood downstairs that we got last week, and we got all these bags of insulation over here. This area is insulated, this area is not, so we need to insulate on top of this drywall over here. And I think we're going to start getting plywood down on this side. I got to remove a couple things temporarily just to make it easier to get the pieces where we want them. Then we'll come back in and put these roof braces back where they currently are on top of the plywood, so it makes it a lot easier instead of making a bunch of weird cuts. So yeah, that's what we're going to be up here doing today.
Yay.
Insulation and plywood and creating that storage area we've been talking about all this time.
I'll take this
Okay.
and plug it in at the top here.
Yep.
Cool.
I need to get another extension cord
Yeah,
off.
I think we're okay. I just want this little section. Okay. Second.
I'm still in my own way here.
Right? Okay. Should I get some? Okay. I'm just gonna drag. Yeah, got it.
Got it?
I got it.
I want to put that nice side up there.
Yeah, yeah, not enough to.
Oopsie. Land right on that. Everybody wants to come down about here. That's where I right there is where I get a good
Okay, that's good to me.
connection there.
Good.
Well, we finally got this attic storage area for the most part finished. We've got some flooring down up here for putting tubs and storing some stuff. If people have been following along, it's been kind of a long journey. It was very dirty up here, had insulation that was a couple feet thick in areas. It was all old and matted down that we had to get out. We made videos on all this stuff. Maybe I'll make a playlist for the attic transformation series. We had to shore up some joists, make some stuff stronger, do some sistering, do a lot of cleanup, do some mold and mildew mitigation, insulate, and then we got these boards down. So let me flip you around. So yeah, went from a disgusting, dirty, dark, scary area to a bright, lit area. We put these lights up in one of our videos. This is what we just got done doing. We just got all the tools taken down, got stuff out of our way. Let's take a quick little walk back this way. So we got storage area back here around the fireplace. We still got some room over here. We got some more spots over here. We could do some flooring boards if we wanted to, but you know, we'll see how that comes out. We just ran out. We bought 5 sheets of plywood and used up a ton of scrap we had. We had a bunch of scrap left over from other projects, and we just figured, you know what? It's just taking up space. Might as well put it up here. And we added some space back over on this side, out over here. That's a nice place. We could probably store, you know, 8 or 10 tubs of light stuff. And yeah, so we put this door in. It's the 24-inch wide, the one from Lowe's with the gas strut, and it gives you a much wider hole to get stuff through. And I had to take out one joist that was coming here and block it up. The instructions show you, you know, very easily how to do all that kind of stuff to block it up and install it. But yeah, you can see a bunch of stuff down there. Some cushions for all of our outdoor furniture and dining set that'll be coming up here to get stored, get it out of our space. This is a fairly small house, you know, 1,600 square feet or so. And so there's not a, it's kind of storage deficient, if you will. And so, you know, adding this space just to put stuff out of the way, like cushions and tubs and things like that, is going to be very helpful, because it's going to get stuff out of the garage, it's going to get stuff off our floors, and that's going to be super helpful. I don't know how many square feet I added up here, at least a couple hundred square feet.
Out there for this,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
think we need to hang a couple bump caps on a hook right as you come up the hole.
That would be lovely. Yeah, because
so that we don't have lumps all over our head when we have
lumps all over our head. Cool. I love it. So excited.
Jody and I have been plugging away hard at the kitchen and living room full renovation projects, but I thought we'd do something kind of fun real quick, and that's kind of take a look outside. As many of you know that watch our channel, we bought a neglected and vacant wreck, beat up house, been empty for 3 years, and mainly we bought it for the backyard and predominantly the creek in the backyard. And anyway, I thought we'd, with all the weather changing and the rain we've gotten and wind we've gotten, I thought it would be fun to take a quick look outside and see how things are looking out there. A lot of white water and rapids that you can see now. Here we are on the back deck. You can see still a lot of leaves in our oak tree and some of these maples and stuff, but we've lost a lot of leaves. We've been trying to keep up on them, but it's kind of hard to do so. You kind of see the creek back there looking really nice. Let's take a quick stroll over to the fire pit area real quick. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. As you can see, the rapids have really been filling up a little bit. And way up there, you can see the waterfall, the big waterfall up there. And there's the old swimming hole. Although floaties have all been deflated and the swimming suits have all been packed away, probably trying to think about buying a kayak. Facing north, you can see the white water over that way. So yeah, looking pretty nice. So yeah, not a bad looking backyard, right? I think it's worth it. We've been working on this house for a few years, all the time, and sometimes we forget why we're doing it, and we just got to come out here and have a cup of coffee and sit by the creek and enjoy it, and enjoy the view, enjoy the scenery, and then we remember why we're doing this. And just love it out here, and everything's looking so pretty right now. Anyway, just thought we'd run you out back and show you kind of what's going on around the creek. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.